Dental implants are the gold standard of replacing a missing tooth for patients at this point in time. For many years, we had to either deal with a missing tooth or make a traditional dental bridge, and that involves cutting down the tooth on both sides of the missing area. Now, we can leave those healthy teeth alone and simply and quickly and painlessly put an implant in, let it heal, and get a tooth on there that will last longer than a traditional bridge. When having a missing space, it's important to get it treated with a dental implant as soon as possible. Having a missing space, the bone will throughout time disappear and the adjacent teeth will tend to tip in, and this leads to crowding and food getting caught and more decay and more loss of teeth. Any patient that's missing a tooth should come let us discuss with you. Let us take a three-dimensional scan of your bone and see if implants are right for you. Implants are something that we place on many patients to restore their missing teeth and their bite and get amazing outcomes with it. Implant dentistry is increasing in popularity because it's predictable and lasts a long time. And these are what patients want when they're putting investments into their mouth. Predictability and long-term success. And this is what we offer with our dental implants here at Center One Dental.